Zeni.
Mini nsɛntwerɛni me ho yɛ.
Na nsɛntwerɛni no me nka ho me de me activist. But me nye a journalist. Me mpe sa title no.
Za
Ghana media for na ma journalism no nya akono. Akoye kronobo nti ya na me mpe sa title.
Ben so sa wo kan chi no achi be book ya ye friend no Antilles of the Savannah na. Wo kyerem sɛ nsɛntwerɛni na koye sɛ onyankopɔn ani. Se awia no why say nyankopon ani a wo hyren ede ne han no ato esum so se na be ade bi asie bi abe de be so journalism is a sacred profession it hadn't na abama bu wo ensentwe adwuma
ma be mu
se free mu ba
kwa me ma menchia ahwefo mo hwe ye wa chichire banchire nyi ma be mu just that ayana identity hu hia pa me ba ya ni journalism na nkrofo bi okrom ha no ma hwe din me hu no say over the years omo de nkola na adwene di agro omo de manfo de do na adwene di agro and I cannot be part of a system to me is a Babylon system.
Babylon system.
Yes. Journalism na me free bonfa chance beto ne nkran. E beto ne wokumase no. Most of them me say a agenda setting journalism. Na kanya asema ke atimi atena krom ha ama for over 20 years. Enkrofo bi tri ba bi say a friend the coffee shop one hwan. Omo ne decide who becomes president in this country. Setting agenda for the people.
That's agenda setting the Kenya de bon.
There be agenda setting
and no that's agenda bon setting.
Maka same way say journalism no journalists are supposed to be watchdog for a year you can say the citizenry. But unfortunately in this country the journalists have become guard dogs for the politicians.
Hey Samu.
Yes. And other politicians and Diano and omo na epo se manfo ni su se eniema na asebio aban na ye ne papa journalists for ne ba be defend their aban say and the aban na ye ne ye.
Is that to say come e dey amanfo adwuma eni ho no nsantwerefo enka ho asem.
In fact o man kasa kura hia se e ka o mo adwuma ho asem. Wo ya we nsantwere adwuma ye wo mo ya we me say big names ya wo mo titete radio so you are aware. Say ebinum sika wo mo gie mo so me. Kete. Etiene no politician no na eso mo so emom timi hwe omo yire no omo manom eti omo ye de koka wo me da koka obi adwuma asem when the journalists themselves they need job they need money me jai eye happy FM me kotena akiri woni nkrofo hia na se ye ka je ayi wo mo recruit a omo be so omo be adwuma as if say omo ye wo favor by giving you a platform na ogo he sika bia wo mo bobo na me se me kwa friva me de bedi me here we see o me medi me here we say but omuni buo ma journalists in this country et journalists no wo hunu ne say getting a platform and achi me ne eye menua ba ku bia o ye NDC ni hia ye can say Eduji Tamakulu asem o kan say he respects me so much and Mbusa answer was one of the things or respecting say I was able to build a huge platform on Happy FM. I could have used that platform to be chopping from a year. All I had to do was to be praising Napo in this country and I would have been rich.
That's one yet.
But I didn't do that.
If you said,
my conscience is my guide.
Sana wo kase ebimo yenzentrefo ni bi.
Oh, adwuma we munim saka enkamta free nkata free. Adwuma we mba bia da bia wo mo ya yenka ni di nko a. The pabone for adwuma na journalism for. It's me I don't want to be a part of journalists sa wo muko no. In any case manko journalism school bia.
But like it or not, your system ni here enzentrefo meet makabi.
From your activist.
I'm a more brofo no. You are activist. Granted, but me